Program accreditation helps to develop credibility with students and employers. Professions establish their own rigorous industry standards, and a high-quality CTE program will have attained accreditation from its respective industry, whether that accreditation is required or optional. As mentioned earlier, program accreditation is different from a college's accreditation. It is an endorsement of a specific program by a professional group. It is in addition to the accreditation colleges get from the Accrediting Commission for Community and Junior Colleges, which is needed for an institution's credits to be accepted by other colleges and to qualify to administer financial aid. While most individual community college programs are not required to be accredited, earning accreditation is a good way for programs to distinguish themselves. Accreditation serves as a shorthand for quality, and it can be used in promoting and attracting students to the program as well as facilitating the employment of graduates. Programs are accredited by professional organizations in their respective fields. For example, the National Automotive Technicians Education Foundation, a division of the Institute for Automotive Service Excellence, is an accrediting agency for automotive technology programs. Its stamp of quality is a valuable recruiting tool for colleges. Another example, the American Bar Association's approval is sought for paralegal programs. For some programs, though, accreditation isn't attractive, it's essential. A good example of that is a college nursing program. If a nursing program is not accredited by the California Board of Registered Nursing, its degrees are not recognized and the graduates cannot take the exam for entry into the field.